Hey everyone, today I just wanted to come in here and talk to you about this air purifier. Are you looking for an air purifier that would be great for a large room? This is definitely what you're looking for.
Our filter is crafted for exceptional performance, capturing 99.97% of airborne particles, providing you with the cleanest air to give you comfort. This three-stage powerful filtration has a pre-filter, a pure HEPA filter, and an activated carbon filter. So I also just wanted to show you today these buttons that they have on the top. This one would be for a filter replacement. It would let you know when the filter needs to be replaced. There is also a light that you can turn on and off. This would actually lock the buttons on the top of this for a child lock so no one would mess with your settings. There is a timer on here, an auto mode, and a sleep mode, and then up here is the fan speed. So this is just super easy to use. You can see it has a digital screen on it. Everything that you would want to be able to manually make this perfect for the area you want it in. Enjoy the immediate freshness of clean air with this impressively large air purifier. This air purifier will cover up to 2,216 square feet for an open concept type space, such as yoga rooms, meeting rooms, large living rooms, or bedrooms.